सामज संगीत में सामज संगीत में सामज संगीत में सर्व जीवधारमु सामज संगीत में सर्व जीवधारमु ब्रह्मानंददायकमु ब्रह्मानंददायकमु मोक्ष प्रदायकमु सामज संगीत में त्रिमूर्तुले उपासिंచి తుంబురు నారదుల కొసగి త్రిమూర్తులే ఉపాసించి తుంబురు నారదుల కొసగి సన్మార్గమిదేయని సర్వలోకములకు చాటిన సామజ సంగీతమే సన్మార్గమిదేయని సర్వలోకములకు చాటిన సామజ సంగీతమే సర్వజీవధారము त्यागराजादि संगीत त्रिमूर्तुलु त्यागराजादि संगीत त्रिमूर्तुलु अमोघमु कल्पनलतो शाश्वत మార్గమును సగిరి త్యాగరాజాది సంగీత త్రిమూర్తులు అమోఘము కల్పనలతో శాశ్వత మార్గమును సగిరి వాగేయకారులై వాగేయకారులై ఎందరో మహానుభావులు వాగ్దేవి వరదానమున పావనమూర్తులై ఉపాసించు సామజ సంగీతమే వాగేయకారులై ఎందరో మహానుభావులు వాగ్దేవి వరదానమున పావనమూర్తులై ఉపాసించు సామజ సంగీతమే సర్వజీవధారము బ్రహ్మానందదాయకము మోక్ష ప్రదాయకము సామజ సంగీతమే సామజ సంగీతమే సామజ సంగీతమే This is a simple expression given in a kirtana in Maya Malava Raga. It means music is born out of Samaveda and that it is the root of life, source of eternal bliss, giving the ultimate moksha. Namaste and greetings to music lovers everywhere. My name is Kiranmai Ganti, and this is the new channel that we're about to launch in conversation with a Vagekara. The clip that I just sang, or the kirtana that I just sang, is, as I said, in Mayamala Gaulo Raga. It is composed by my esteemed Guru, Vaggeya Vidwan Mani, Sri Nallan Chakravarti Murthy. Vacham Geyancha Kurute Yasya Vaggeyakarakaha. A Vaggeyakara is someone who can write, tune, and sing his or her own compositions. In words of renowned Veena Vidwan, Professor R. Visveswaran, compositions of a Vaggeyakara essentially help in solidifying the music of one generation or an era and passing it on to the next. Sri Nallan Chakravarti Murthy is one such Vaggeyakara of our times. His illustrious contributions spread over almost all facets of Carnatic music, covering Varnams, Kritis, Padams, Tilanas, and covering Ragas known and established to those not attempted by any of the earlier Vagyakaras, thus extending the existing boundaries of knowledge of Carnatic music. Prior to his Guruji's foray into classical music and compositions, something to note is that he has been a professor of chemical engineering and retired as senior deputy director from the country's premier scientific organization. Sri N.C. Murthy has composed over 500 compositions. His quest continues, and he's actively producing more works as we speak. It is a rare opportunity to have a direct dialogue with a Vagyekara, and I consider it my honor to be able to sit and converse with such a rare personality and bring to the fore his views on various aspects of Carnatic music. I consider myself incredibly lucky to be born in the era of this advanced technology where we can reach global audiences from the comfort of our home, and yet to be able to spread valuable information elicited from an illustrious Vagyekara of our times. All compositions of my Guruji, Vaggeya Vidwan Mani and C. Murthy, which are thus far available, have been published into volumes of books, and these books are lauded by the Carnatic music world, which includes eminent musicians, starting with the doyen of Carnatic music, Padma Vibhushan Chevalier, late Dr. Balamurali Krishna. His own Guruji, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Nukala Chinna Satyanarayana, the spiritual guru, Sadguru Sivananda Murthy Garu, musicians and musicologists, including Professor R. Visveswaran of Mysore, Sri Kollegal Subramanyam Garu, T.R. Subramanyam, Dr. Komanduri Seshadri, literature and Jnanpith awardee Dr. C. Narayan Reddy, and prolific writer and music critic Sri Gudipudi Srihari. While practically all the television channels interviewed him, the channel SVBC brought out a 1-hour program on the musical journey of Sri Murthy and telecast it. As I mentioned, Sri N.C. Murthy has done various works in Carnatic music, which have published into volumes of books. A few of them are Janaka Raga Varnamanjari, Varnams in 72 Ragams, Ghanaraga Varnam Panchakam, Padavarnams in Ghanaragas, which is the first of its kind. Devi Murti Navasudha Deepti, 9 Kritis on Devi, following the Dikshitar model of Navavarna Kritis. Dvadasa Tillanamala, 12 scintillating Varnams. Nutana Sankirtana Svaravali, new Kirtanas in Janaka and Janyaragas. Apurva Raga Kriti Manjari, Kritis in rare ragas where compositions have never been attempted before by previous Vagyekaras, and more such volumes. This channel, which we would like to call In Conversation with a Vagyekara, will be an exploration into the mind of a Vagyekara. As I mentioned, it's a rare opportunity to sit and converse with a Vagyekara, which we will be doing in the episodes henceforth. What a composer thinks, what does he wish to convey, which emotion of the raga was used in the composition. Many other such things are topics that we will delve into. I encourage the viewers who have taken the time to see this or will be looking at this channel to definitely post their specific questions and comments in the comment section. Suggestions, of course. So, dear friends everywhere, music lovers, those who want to know about music, Carnatic music, and specifically, and would like to know about the Vagyekaras that are there, and specifically my Guruji, Sri N.C. Murthy. So, everyone, let us look forward to the exciting journey of our conversation with the Vagyekara, Vagye Vidvanmani Sri N.C. Murthy, Nallan Chakravarti Murthy Garu. We will meet you again in the next episode, where we will bring forth our Guruji, my Guruji, and take this journey forward. Thank you for watching. Namaste. Goodbye.